Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'll be working on part 2 of the chrome paint and going to be going over the van also, trying to blend the white on in, cover up some of the yellow spots. So here I already started, I started with washing the van off, getting rid of all the dirt, debris, so we don't paint over that. And just give you guys a walk around. I've somehow fixed this light, it's hanging on by a thread. You see, got it all cleaned up for the most part. I have a lot of spots that I will have to go over. This is the bumper that I'll be doing on the front. Here to walk around, got it all washed up. This is, if you didn't catch the last video, this right here is the bumper that I did last time with the chrome spray paint. And today we'll be getting started. So now, decided to take a little easier route and just cover up the whole front and leave the front bumper exposed. As you see, I did fill in the gap between the bumpers so I don't paint the engine bay or anything like that. A lot less time consuming, just covering the front. Now I'm going to go ahead and start with the sanding. As you see, it has a few spots. So here we have the finished results of the, as you see, the chrome bumper on the front. And I have went over the front fender and the door. You see it came out pretty nice. So now I just have to finish up the rest of the van, a little bit at a time. So make sure you stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. But other than that, I will see you on the next video.